caught you swerving in the road. What's going on here?
I'm eating.
What happened here? I mean, were you eating when you were driving?
Yeah.
Is that maybe why we were swerving
Yeah.
a little bit? Okay, hey, that's fine. That's not illegal. Well, it's illegal to be swerving.
You want
But
my license?
yeah, where are you coming from today?
Home.
From home?
Yeah.
Where's home at?
Up the street.
Okay. And where are you trying to get to today?
Home.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Well, me?
Yes.
I haven't had many.
Haven't had many? Well, how many's not many?
I had a beer
Just one?
or two.
Or two?
Yeah.
Where was that at?
At home.
At home? Okay.
Yeah. You want to see my license?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
Oh, just don't get aggressive.
No, I'm not being aggressive. Perfect. How'd you drop your food?
Because, girl, I was driving and it dropped.
Okay. I was just wondering if my
Anything
burgers...
else?
You got insurance on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to get it for me?
Yeah. Just a minute. I am hungry.
I'm going to have you sit tight right here. I'm going to
Yeah.
close your door for you, but I'll be up to
Thank
talk
you.
to you in just a minute, okay? So don't drive off. Okay? Because I got to just make sure I see your insurance,
Why would I
okay?
didn't drive off? Don't shoot me.
You'd be surprised at some of the dumb stuff people do,
No, I
so...
don't do stuff.
Okay. 761. Yeah, she drunk. Yeah, I can see the nystagmus in her eyes when she looks at me sideways. So I'm gonna pull out for tests. I'm gonna back up a little.
I'm offline. That's why.
Okay. I am gonna have you hop out of the car for me. We're gonna go talk back by my bumper. We can get that in a minute, okay? But right now I'm gonna have you step out of the car for me.
Whoa, hold on. Don't open my door.
Okay. I gotta have you hop on out.
Don't say no shit.
I didn't even say anything. Okay. I know that you're trying to log into your insurance,
No,
but
I got my insurance.
we can do that back at my car.
No, we can't.
Why not?
Because I have no reason to be pulled over. What's your reason to pull me over?
Somebody called you in saying that you were driving.
What they called me
Okay.
in, I was looking for my food.
Okay, and I understand that, but I'm explaining to you because you asked, okay? But I do need you.
What people
I
say.
do need you to step out of the
Don't
car.
have me do a lawsuit on you.
Okay, that's fine, but I do have to have you exit the vehicle
let me
now.
Get my together so you can see my ID.
Okay.
See the Corona bottles in the back? Those in the
Yeah,
back?
yeah. Looks like there's something in it, right?
But I am gonna have you step out of the car. We can go look for it.
I don't have no clothes on.
Why don't you have clothes on?
Because I was going to get me something to eat.
Okay, well, I'm gonna have you step one out for me, okay? So we're gonna
Why
walk-
y'all all
We're-
three of y'all all here?
We're gonna
Because you
walk-
want to shoot
Hey,
me?
Golden,
No.
right now I want you to walk back to the
Why?
front of my cruiser. We can talk about it there,
Okay, go ahead.
okay? So I am gonna run you through a few tests to make sure that you're okay to drive.
Because I got a bad hip and I got a bad back.
That's
I'm
fine.
disabled.
That's fine. I'm gonna have you come back and have a seat right on that front bumper for me,
For
okay?
what?
Do you have any recent head injuries?
Yes.
What happened?
I banged my head.
Are you feeling dizzy or anything like that because of it?
I have been.
You have been? Okay.
Yes, it's right here.
Okay, I'm not seeing any red marks or anything like that.
You can't see no red marks on my black head.
Okay, I was just
What the hell?
Okay. Are you on any medication right now?
Yes.
What are you on?
I'm on everything you can think of.
Okay.
I took all my meds today.
At what time?
In the morning.
Okay. On the bottles, does it say you're not supposed to operate heavy machinery and you take those?
Wait a minute. I got this.
You got this?
I understand what I have to do. You don't ask me what I have to do. What I mean by it is I know how to control my medication.
Okay.
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 Now what
Does
else
that-
you want to
Does that
know?
typically affect your balance in any way?
Of course.
Of course.
I
Okay.
had injection in my hip just clung.
What kind of, did you get what, cortisone or what kind of
I
it?
don't know what I had, but I had it. Look it up. So, it up.
I see that you're wearing glasses. I'm gonna have you take them and flip them up to the top of your
For
head.
what?
Because I need to be able to see your eyes. So I do need you to have your glasses off for the entirety of this, okay? You can place them on my hood if you want to.
What? I don't
Make sure-
give a about no sobriety test.
Okay.
Well, I'm not drunk and I'm not high.
Okay, that's fine. So again,
what do you have to do me a sobriety test on a bad hip for?
okay.
And bad back.
This,
I'm disabled.
Okay,
I don't
that's
care
okay.
what you say.
okay. Do you have any recent injuries, especially in your
Of
hips, knees, and
course.
ankles? What do you have?
I have everything wrong with me.
Well, it sounds like you might not be able to be driving then.
I know how to drive.
Okay, so what's going on in your body right now that's...
Everything.
Can you explain
I'm
what
on
everything is?
disability. body.
Okay.
My hips, my shoulders, my arm, my neck,
Okay.
and it all.
What's wrong with it? Like,
No, it is not.
Okay, that's fine. So what I'm gonna have you do is you can have a seat right there.
I don't want to have a seat.
Okay, then I'm just gonna
I want to get my
car
car and go home.
Okay, well
eat.
right now I'm gonna run you through some tests.
No, you're not.
Are you refusing?
I'm gonna ask my doctors.
Okay, can I check your eyes at least?
I don't give a about my eyes. I'm going home.
Okay,
I'm going home.
That's okay.
You gonna restrain me?
If I need
Or do you have to?
Okay.
Okay, so, what's the problem? Why are you pulling me over? What's your badge number, first of all?
Okay, we already talked about
No, we didn't talk about your badge number.
761.
Wait, let me get this on record here.
I want to run you through a few tests to make sure that you're okay to drive home.
I'm always already. Do you have any reports on me?
I would have to look that up.
Look it up.
Okay.
Look it up.
But we're not dealing with that right now. We're dealing with tonight. Okay.
I don't give a about tonight.
Okay. So I do.
And what?
Ma'am. Sorry.
What? What's your badge number?
My name is Officer Warner. My badge number is 745.
Okay.
In about this vehicle. The driver appeared tired and that they were driving away.
They don't know nothing about me. I'm not tired.
Well, here's the thing. This is just what we go on, so that's why we're here.
What do you want me to do?
We're just investigating.
And I can't walk.
That's fine. This one you can sit down for, actually.
Okay.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got bad eyes.
Okay. So just with your eyes, not your head.
I'm with my eyes.
Okay.
I can see your finger.
So you're doing great right now.
I know I am because I can see your finger. I got bad eyes.
So I understand that, but you're doing what I asked you to.
I see your finger.
So again, keeping your head straight. You can relax. I'm going to explain the next test to you, okay? Mm-hmm. So what you're going to do is
I can't walk. I can do everything you want me to, but I can't walk in the straight line because I got a bad hip and back.
Okay, I understand.
And neck and down. Do you want to get sued?
No.
Okay. I will do it to you if you make me walk.
Okay, I'm not going to make you do anything, but I am going to have you listen to the
make me walk a straight line.
Do you want to try and explain the instructions?
No, she can't because I am disabled. No. You better quit with me.
I'm not trying to.
I will sue your ass.
Okay.
I'm disabled. Look at that.
I believe you.
In my car.
I believe you.
Look at my tag in my car.
I see you have that one.
Okay, I cannot walk no straight line because I have a bad back. Yes, sir.
Just mind wait right here. Let me talk with my partner real quick.
You better, because I want to get home.
Okay.
I'm going home.
I got 4 in my eyes. Yeah.
Did she admit to drinking?
Yes.
Odor?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, search speech, anything else.
Yeah, but she drinks food everywhere.
Let me go home.
So I'm going to have you put your stuff up on my hood for a second real quick, okay? Thank you.
Oh, you going to arrest me?
Okay, you are going to be under arrest right now.
For what?
Okay, for OPI.
You get the damn off me. Get the off of me. Get the off of me. Get off of me.
Okay, ma'am, don't make this for yourself.
You. I am okay.
Okay.
Oh, I got you on camera. I'm going to sue you, mother.
Yep.
You're hurting my back.
No,
You're hurting my back, and I'm going to sue every last one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna walk back to the back seat of my car.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
I'm going to sue every last because you done f***ed up my back and neck. I'm going to sue you.
Okay.
I don't give a I'm suing you. What's your badge number?
It's 736.
736.
Still.
Oh, you gonna hurt me?
Listen, you'll have to do that later.
Stop resisting and they won't cinch up on you, okay, ma'am?
No.
No.
I'm going to sue you. You know that.
Okay, but that's gonna be another day.
No. You hurt my back,
That'll be
my
another day.
neck.
My neck, my back.
No, it ain't gonna be another day. No, you're gonna get all sued. No, I'm not. You hurt my back.
No, we're trying to
No, you hurt my back. No, you hurt my back
There you go.
and my wrist.
Right now, you're just standing there. That's all you're doing.
No, I'm
Okay.
getting ready to sue
We've got to get her in the back.
So let's go over here.
No,
Let's
I
walk
want
to the
my
side.
phone.
What's it?
Give me my phone. Get off my arm.
We're going to the back of the car.
I'm getting ready to sue all you.
No,
All y'all mother just get ready to get sued. What's your badge number?
753.
What's your name?
Officer Burgess.
What's your name?
Officer Kidd.
Okay, I'm gonna get you too.
Okay. All right.
I'm getting all y'all. Y'all think I'm playing?
Okay, well, you
Here we
can't
go.
sue us until we finish this.
No,
So
I want to see you.
I understand that, but you got to get in the car first.
Okay. There you go. You got it.
I'm getting ready to sue all y'all. Give me all your cards.
You'll get all of our...
Give me your cards.
I saw somebody go off that way.
Yeah.
Like in our voice. Nice job.
Coach.
Did you get hurt?
Yeah, she pinched my finger.
Oh, did she? Oh, wow. That's...
The audacity.
Yeah. There's a receipt in there. Can you see from when she bought it?
745, you're 77 numero.
I don't give you permission to search my car.
Okay.
Get the f out of my car. I don't give a f. That was from 4 or 5 days ago. I didn't have time to get rid of it.
761.
Those are old.
You gonna be good here?
Yeah, these old.
You're in my car without a warrant, and I'm going to sue you.
Because right now you're currently under arrest for OVI.
What?
For OVI.
OVI?
Yes.
What is that?
Driving while
I'm
intoxicated.
not under the influence.
Okay, so I've determined that you are.
I'm not under the influence.
Okay.
If I was at my house drinking, that's my business. And I'm not drunk. And so you're going to get sued. You're going to die too. And you and your family. Because y'all with black people. And you know it. Because you're a racist. If anything happened to me, you're going to jail. I'm telling you. You're getting all sued. And you got me out here in my fucking on my pajamas.
I'm gonna have you swing your legs on out.
No, you gonna get these handcuffs off of me.
I can't get the cuffs off.
Get them off.
I can't.
Get them off.
I can't until you
Get them off. Get them off. I got family members that's lawyers, and they're all getting sued.
Okay.
Get these handcuffs off of me.
Well, you got to get out first.
No, you gotta get these handcuffs off of me. I can't get my back. You shouldn't have with me. I wasn't with nobody.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know, do you?
No.
Y'all wanna kill me, don't you? A black woman. You all. Y'all all getting sued.
Okay.
Okay.
But that's an issue for tomorrow. We have to deal with tonight. Get
No,
home. Get you
I ain't
out.
gonna deal with no lawyers later. Get this off so I can get out. I
when
got
you're-
a bad back.
Do you want to go home?
Get this
Let's do this.
handcuffs
We
off.
can't.
I can't get out with the handcuffs on me.
turn sideways?
No,
That's how you got
I'm
in.
on disability.
I mean, that's
I'm
how
on
you got in.
disability.
Here, you want me? I can help.
You
Just try to get that leg out first.
No, I can't. I can't move my back.
I'm right here. You hurt my. You
I
hurt
don't
my
give a
ears. What if we move your
Get
legs
these
for you?
handcuffs off of me.
Yeah. How about we?
No, handcuffs off.
Officer Wade grabs your
Hey, listen.
Ma'am.
No, you gonna drag me out and we gonna.
Ma'am.
I don't give a f. I'm not moving. And I don't know what the f you talking about drunk. If I am drinking, it was at my house and I was going to get something to eat. Racist mother. You hear me? You better have your cameras on.
Who's hitting you?
You. You can get these cuffs off of me.
Can I say
My
something?
back is f***ed up.
Can I say something?
No.
I can't talk, but you can. Why not?
No, it's irrelevant. What? Let me ask you something. Who called on me?
I have no idea who called on.
What? I wasn't bothering nobody. I was just driving. I ain't doing. I'm driving legally.
All right, ma'am. Let's get back to the cops and get you out for the cops. All right?
I'm tired.
Well, let's get you in here, okay? You can sit down in here without the cuffs on. How's that? All right?
I ain't never been in.
Oh, yes.
And this is so humiliating. I ain't never been in cuffs in my life.
So when I take the cuff off, I want you just to put your hand in your lap, okay?
Here you go.
My can's in my car.
Okay, we'll help you walk, okay? So Stephanie, we're gonna walk right in here, okay? Right through this door.
Oh my God.
We'll get him. Okay, we're gonna go walk right in here though.
Okay.
And we're gonna walk up the hallway to your left.
It was always more than just 2 drinks. Now, with the accidents that I've seen due to drinking and driving, a person should really consider themselves fortunate if the police stop you and possibly arrest you before you have an accident, injure yourself, somebody. Now, I once arrested a guy for DUI on the graveyard shift, or last out. So if you hear me say last out, that's what they call it in Philadelphia Police Department. So I'll pull up on this guy and I activate my lights and I use my air horn with no reaction. Now he's parked in the middle of the street at a stoplight with his foot on the brake, and I watched that traffic light go through about 8 cycles just to see how it go. Now thank goodness there was no traffic and I took him into custody with no issues, but the guy was severely intoxicated. However, my point is, why drink this much and get behind the wheel of a vehicle and fall asleep? Because by doing this, in my opinion, you're basically saying I don't care if I injure myself or other people, and that's a problem. And the officer in this case stopped a woman for possible DUI. And the woman, of course, is giving the officer a major attitude, but this happens more often than not. But the officer is professional and stays on point, which I love, by the way, because police have to stay emotionally in check when dealing with the public. So the officer then administers the HGN test, also known as the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. Now, during this test, an officer will face the test subject and place a stationary object such as a pen, flashlight, or the officer's finger in front of the test subject. Had multiple indicators that the woman was probably a DUI. Now remember, when officers conduct a field sobriety test, it's not just a formality, it's an important assessment. And if you fail, it's not just a ticket, it's a wake-up call. Now there was some resistance, however the officers took her into custody with very minimal force. Then she brings out the race card, which has nothing to do with the officers doing their job. However, the officers maintain their composure because, as usual, it's never personal, and she was above the legal limit.